How can I unblock someone on Snapchat and recover my old messages?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to guide you through how to unblock someone on Snapchat and recover your old messages with them. This is a simple process, but it's easy to miss some steps if you're not familiar with Snapchat's user interface. Let's get started.
What happens when you block someone on Snapchat?
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand what happens when you block someone on Snapchat. Once you block a person, they are no longer able to view your stories or snap you. The chat history also gets hidden. However, the messages aren't deleted. They're just obscured until you unblock the person.
How to unblock someone on Snapchat?
Now, let's walk through the process of unblocking someone. 1. Open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. 2. Click on your profile icon in the upper left corner to go to your profile. 3. Tap on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. 4. Scroll down and tap on Blocked under the Who Can section. 5. You'll see a list of all users you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and click on the X next to their name. And voila! You have successfully unblocked the person on Snapchat.
How to recover old messages?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Snapchat doesn't have a built-in feature to recover old messages. When you unblock someone, the previous chat history with that person doesn't instantly reappear. But don't worry, there's a workaround. You can try to retrieve your old messages by searching for the user you've just unblocked and initiating a new chat. Sometimes, the old chat history will load, but it's not guaranteed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to unblock someone on Snapchat and try to recover your old messages. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on the version of Snapchat you're using or any updates to Snapchat after September 2021. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember to respect each other's privacy and use these tools responsibly. Thanks for watching.